Good morning, everyone. And before concluding, I'd just like to add a statement. Very ironic situation about packaging, as you all see, is one of its key purpose is to protect it from contamination. And at the end of it, once the product is consumed, the packaging material becomes a contaminant. And that's the irony. And therefore, it's very important that, as you have heard from many speakers, it's very important to believe and do things that, we use sustainable materials. We use sustainability as a focus in packaging, and therefore, we have to ensure that it gives a much more natural resources to the next generation. And that's therefore very, very important. I would like to place on record thanks to the chairman, CII, Shiv Prasad Reddy, who has been inspiration in getting this whole program together and leading it from the front. And of course, AVPS Chakravarti, who has done a fantastic job putting the right team and group together to conduct this program. Anil Purgaru, our Southern Region past chairman, who has been very kind to be here and address the gathering. SC Akshay Garu, Director General Foreign Trade. Manish Jain, who has created a new thinking for packaging, talking about enhancing the shelf life of the product rather than just packaging, which is a very innovative thinking. And I must appreciate Vagish Dikshit for taking a very bold, courageous statement to be proud of plastic. And I echo his sentiment. And as I keep repeating in many of my speeches, everyone wants that there should be no pollution. But the reality of life is it's inevitable. We eat food, we defecate, and that's pollution. We drink water, we urinate, that's pollution. We breathe in air, we breathe out carbon dioxide, that's pollution. Pollution is inevitable. What's important is how we mitigate, how we minimize, how we manage it. So whether it's plastic, whether it is metal, whether it is glass, whether it is paper, or the combination of products, innovative products that are used in packaging are all very important for packaging. But what's important for us to recognize is how to manage them afterwards. How to ensure that it does not impact the society, the environment, and the next generation, to ensure that the resources are available for the next generation is the most important thing. But I appreciate the bold courage to say plastic is better than other products. I really believe in it and appreciate that wonderful thing. And thanks, Sami, for arranging a good event together. Thank you all very much, and have a wonderful two-day session to bring out better thinking. Thank you.